Well, to be honest, he's probably gonna land on that up there and die. Oh, it's just so exciting.
That waterfall is making me nervous.
Oh, all right.
It's alright, it's up to you guys.
All right.
It's your turn now. 3, 2, 1.
You're right there. You're gonna go there.
I fucking lived, bitches!
The first
The
one.
boy who
Oh,
died.
there's a second! I'm still a bitches! Captain Knob Sparrow, savvy? Oh, there's a third. Ah! Oh, that one's easy.
All right, you live.
No, that's by bear.
But here's the big one. And yeah.
We're right here.
There's another one.
Oh yeah, there's a big one. This is where you die.
Oh, I should have had another joy!
All right. Will I die if I go in there?
No,
Oh.
you'll get swept downstream a little bit.
Just take your guns off, you know? It's basically the only thing important.
Yeah, you got me. Oh my god, you hero.
Oh yeah. I'm Michelle Nat.
My hero.